So we have with us one of the participant of the faculty development summer program, which is being run by PPU Hisar. Welcome ma'am, welcome to मेरा देश चैनल. तो आपको जो ये वेरियस वर्कशॉप्स हो रही हैं, इसके अंदर लेक्चर्स हो रहे हैं, गेस्ट फैकल्टी बाहर से आ रहे हैं, कुछ कंपनीज भी आ रही हैं. So they are working very hard to give you some tips on how to use certain methodologies. It may be psychometry or other presentation skills or communication skills. So क्या आपको लगता है कि इससे काफ़ी बेनिफिट होने वाला है आपको?
Yes, sir. It is very beneficial. It is a educational development, faculty development course. It is going on continuously. It is started at 7th of June and it will be going on 20th of last week. And it is very beneficial and effective. Actually, we have learned in this methods of teaching how we can make our teaching effective. Teaching and learning effective, we have learned. And the main thing, this program is very innovative. We have learned the intelligence. What is the intelligence? कि एक बच्चे की intelligence कैसे हम उसको notice कर सकते हैं. 7 or 8 types of intelligence was there. You can say multiple intelligence was there. And we have also learned the role of teacher. And the main thing that I liked is the how to remove the fear of failure. If being a student, if a student fear कि ओह मैं तो फेल हो जाऊँगा, तो उसके लिए उसको जो फील करता है उससे उसको क्या लॉस है. तो वी हैव लर्न कि हाउ टू मोटिवेट दैट चाइल्ड हु हैव अ फियर ऑफ फेलियर.
So do you think that certain lectures on personality types and characteristic type which will be helping you to identify certain kind of personality traits with the students, and you can accordingly inform them of their personality type and how to develop their skills or how to best utilize their personality types?
Yes, sir. That was today from means yesterday and today we have learned कि how to analyze our personality. If we can analyze our personality, that easily we can analyze the students. कि there are 2 types of personality like E and I, extrovert and introvert types personality. तो like this we can analyze the students कि किस टाइप की पर्सनैलिटी है, उनके साथ हमें कैसे डील करना है. That is very beneficial for all of us.
So do you think that other faculty members are also feeling that these techniques will go a long way in benefiting the students?
Yes, sir. Definitely, sir. Other faculty members are very crazy to learn ki what type of personality they have, and in their personal life they have also analyzed ki which type of personality they have and how can they deal in society as social being. Also, they can use these types of.
So how far the summer course has been effective in motivating you and refreshing you, through a daily routine of teaching? You are getting a break and in summers, and you are getting a new knowledge and interaction with various guest faculties. So what is the feeling?
I am feeling very good because there are many teachers who are giving their sessions and they are coming from a far side. बहुत दूर दूर से वो आ रहे हैं, अब अपना एक्सपीरियंस हमारे साथ शेयर कर रहे हैं. तो वी आर फीलिंग वेरी गुड कि हमें इन लोगों के साथ, ट्रेनर के साथ बात करने में बहुत अच्छा लगता है. एटलीस्ट आफ्टर दैट वी आर लर्निंग अ लॉट कि बहुत कुछ हमें पता चल रहा है जो हमें नहीं पता था. मैथोलॉजी कैसे यूज़ करनी है, बच्चों के साथ कैसे डील करना है ताकि वो भी एंटरटेन करें, लाइक दिस.
So do you think that certain lectures you have been through, you can teach some of the things to your students as well? Like you can give some tips out of these lectures?
Yes, sir, definitely I will give. It's my profession or it's my duty to give them, to provide them as much as I can.
Do you think that in addition to the summer course, you would like to have certain weekend or fortnightly courses, or maybe a monthly course or a monthly lecture which will give you some additional knowledge which may help the teaching at the institution?
I think, sir, it should be. because it is beneficial for teachers as well as for the students.
Yeah.
That I think it must be continue.
So, what would you say about the efforts of the institution in upgrading your skills of the teachers?
Firstly, sir, I am thankful to the institute which has given us a chance to learn more and more. And really, I am thankful to them because it is only of our institute that has given us a chance to learn more.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks for talking to Meridesh channel, and I hope such courses would go a long way, not only particularly helping you as a teachers, but in addition, it will help you to transfer your best skills to the students and in the process for the nation building. Thank you.
We hope so. Thank you.